In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move documents between rooms in Docusign. Managing documents efficiently is a crucial aspect of using Docusign, and this feature allows you to streamline your workflow seamlessly. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Docusign website. Docusign is a leading electronic signature and intelligent agreement management platform, so you're in the right place for handling your documents effectively. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, look out for the login button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on this button, enter your login credentials, and proceed to access your account. This step is important as it will provide you entry to your dashboard where you can manage and move documents within the platform. After you've logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Docusign home. This is your central hub for all document related activities. Here you will find various options and features to explore, but for our purpose today, focus on locating the Agreements section. Click on Agreements, which contains all your contracts and documents organized and ready for management. Next, to move a specific document between rooms, look for the document you want to transfer. You will notice a handy three-dot icon next to each document. This icon indicates a menu of additional actions you can take with your document. Click on this three-dot icon for the document you're interested in moving. With the menu now open, you'll see an option labelled Move. Clicking on this option will enable you to relocate the document to another room within Docusign. It's a simple and straightforward action, but one that can significantly enhance your document management process, especially if you're working with multiple teams or categories within Docusign. Remember, moving documents between rooms can help you keep your work organized, making it easy to track and manage the progress of each document with precision. Whether you're organizing documents by department, project, or any other categorization, this feature allows you to stay on top of your document management game. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to move documents between rooms in Docusign. This tool is efficient for staying organized and ensuring your documents are where they need to be for you and your team. Thank you for following along, and don't forget to explore other features that Docusign has to offer to further enhance your document management experience.